Hello and welcome to the topic compounding as one of the word formation processes. Compounding. Compounding consists in the combination of two or more, usually free morphemes or root morphemes to form a new word. In other words, compounding forms a word out of two or more independent words. The words formed are called compounds, compound words, or compounding. In brief, compounding is the word formation process in which two or more lexemes combine into a single new word. We have more points. Compounding. For example, the word blackboard, heartfelt, brother-in-law are compound words. They are made up of the root or free morphemes or independent words such as black and boat, blackboard, heart and felt, heartfelt, brother-in-and-law, brother-in-law, respectively. Compounding. Compounding is a very common process in most languages of the world. In English, for instance, compound words have the following characteristics. Compound words behave grammatically and semantically as single words. For example, bathroom, school bus, water resistant. Compound words can be written in three different ways. For example, open style, that is to say, with a space between the parts of the compound. For example, toy store, there is a space. Diving board, there is a space. Flower pot, there is a space in between. Hyphenated style, that is with a hyphen, separating the elements of the compound. For example, flower pot, hyphen, air brake with hyphen, chiffonne with a hyphen. Solid style, that is to say without a space or hyphen between the component elements of the compound. For example, flower pot, there is no space. Washrooms, no space. Pickpocket, no space. Note about compounding. Preference for a particular form of writing the compound word depends largely on lexicographical conventions and the variety of English use. For instance, hyphenation, that is separating the elements of a compound with a hyphen, is more common in British English than in American English. In American English, the tendency is to write the compounds open or solid. However, hyphenation is quite common practice in both English. Global meaning of the compound words. The global meaning of the compound word can often be gauged from the individual meaning of each element of the compound. For example, a boathouse is a shed in which boats are stored. The meaning is easily understood. A bookstore is a store which sells book, and so on. The meaning of bookstore is easily understood. But there are a few compound words whose global meanings must be learned as if they were single words, because such meanings cannot be gauged from the individual meaning of the component elements of the compounds. For example, a red coat is a British soldier, not a coat that is red. So a red coat, it has an entirely different meaning. That is to say, a British soldier. Similarly, a flatfoot is a detective or policeman. A turncoat is a traitor. A hot dog is a kind of fast food, etc. So we have entirely different meanings with all these compound words. Compound words usually have the primary stress on the first element of the compound. For example, earcrafts, chewing gum, etc. We have the stress on ear and chewing. Following are a few possible combinations how words are combined to make new words. For example, noun plus noun is equal to noun. For example, sunrise, dancing girl, handshake, air conditioning, cigar smoker. We can see we have the combination of sunrise, noun plus noun still makes a word noun. Likewise, all these words. Then we have the combination of verb plus noun is equal to noun. For example, call girl, dance hall. Then we have adjective plus noun is equal to noun. For example, dark room, highbrow, that is to say cultured. Noun plus adjective is equal to adjective. For example, ear sick, bottle green. Then we have pronoun plus noun is equal to noun. For example, she pony, she goat. Preposition plus verb is equal to verb. For example, overtake, undergo. Preposition plus noun is equal to noun. For example, onlooker, off day, etc. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.